Oh, hey, what's up? Where you been, bro? Oh yeah, I've been busy.
Hey bro, keep up with the videos, bro.
Yeah, man, for sure. Hey, bro, you didn't answer me. Where you been, bro?
Yeah, bro, where have you been? I got nothing to watch.
Oh, yeah, I was dealing with some stuff at... But when's the next video?
Yeah, dude, when's the next video? Where did you buy your headlights?
I actually have some things I want to show.
Where did you buy your headers, bro?
Well, I bought a new DA.
Hey, bro, do you like Florida?
You bought a new DA?
A dumbass? What is a DA?
No. A dual action polisher.
Oh, dual action.
A DA?
It must get really hot, bro.
Yeah, it's hot. I actually have a new project. Bro, where's the videos?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, guy.
That's what I'm saying. I got some new projects coming in. When are they coming?
Yeah, when are they coming? Can I come?
Wait, what?
So what's coming?
Well, I got this new satin rose gold vinyl from Vivid Vinyls. And I bought a new dual action polisher for detailing videos.
And?
Oh, and I bought an S2000.
And? Wait. What?
I got new vinyl.
No, not that.
I bought a new polisher. No. What was the last thing you said? Oh, right. I bought an S2000.
S2? S2000?
Yeah, it's actually sitting right there. You should stay subscribed. It's gonna be a very interesting summer.